practicing together. Today, we're going to work on our throaty sound. K. You say it. K. Good. This could be a C sound or a K sound. It says K. Sometimes when we make this sound, we make it tappy. T, t, the T sound. That is not what we want to do. So today, especially if you're having a hard time saying T instead of K, we're going to really work on making it from our throat and bringing that sound backwards. Let's see what's behind our first balloon. Cat. You say cat 3 times. Use your throaty sound. Good. What's next? Cup. You say cup 3 times. Use your throaty sound. Good working. King. You say king 3 times. Use that throaty sound. You're doing great. What's next? Kiss. Say kiss 3 times using your throaty sound. Good. Make sure that you're putting it in your throat. Kiss. And not making it tappy. Tiss. You hear the difference? We really need to make these sounds from our throat. Cow. You say cow 3 times using your throaty sound. Great job with these throaty sounds. Okay, now we're going to say 2 words. One word is going to have our throaty sound and the other word is going to have our tappy sound. And we're going to see it's so important that we use the right sound. Otherwise, it changes the whole meaning of the word. Watch. Let's do this one first. T. See, that's a tappy sound. T, t, T. Key. That's a throaty sound. K, k, key. Let's say them back to back. I'll go first, and then it's your turn. T, key. You do it. Good work. Here's the next one. Tub. That's a tappy sound. T, t, tub. You say it. Cub. That's a throaty sound. K, k, cub. Now let's say it back to back. I'll go first. Tub, cub. Good work. That's tricky. Tap. That's a tappy sound. Tap, cap. Let's say it back to back. Tap, cap. Your turn. Good. Next one. Tape with our tappy sound. Tape. Cape with our throaty sound. Cape. Now you do it. Tape, cape. Good work. Last one. Tan, can. You do it. Start with your tappy sound. Good.